RadioKing. Here is a fresh installation for Mazda Demio 2012. How I can say it, all steering controls are working. Also for this car we installed the external microphone for hands-free. This radio has the Netflix, the free YouTube, which works through the hotspot. Also you're getting the Sat navigation through the Google Maps. As well, you're getting the Bluetooth connection for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can connect your phone and use through the T-Link is cause the app works wirelessly for the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Also you're getting the equalizer which works by the surround sound, by zone. And works by the zone. So the sound control. As well, you'll get after the installation 2 USBs which one is installed on Glowbox for video and music. You can download on your flash drive and connect to the USB connectors and use through the apps. That's it. Thank you.